Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's see how Nifty, Bank Nifty and finnifty performed today. So we'll go with pre-open market. Yesterday we had Bank Nifty expiry, and day before yesterday we had finnifty expiry, which was bleeding both the days. And today you could see it was a gap down open. Yesterday it was flat open and it bleeded. So that's why today we have the seller's pressure at the beginning itself. So it was 94 points gap down, which is pretty much a good gap down, opening with 1927 for Nifty. And then we'll check for Bank Nifty, which opened with 42,700, nearly 708, with 123 points gap down. So the straddle points will be 42,700 CEP. So it's a bad idea to do straddle on the last week of the month because of the huge movement it creates, and because of the closing of the all the stocks as well as the index. So always choose straddle for first 2 weeks of the month and avoid straddle for the last 2 weeks of the month. Okay, so let's just move on to the EOD section, trading view. So it was whooping, led by 250 to 64 points down for Nifty, 551 points down for Bank Nifty, and 300 plus points down for Nifty. And India Works finally got up to 11.74. So you could see it was actually bleeding from 3 days, and the market keeps going down. So it's literally hard to find the support because the resistance work, but the support doesn't work. It just keeps breaking. So it was, see, for the Nifty it was already gapped down, and then it started bleeding down, and then it took support at 850, and the market was maintaining between 900 and 850, as you could see. But the volume activity at the end is very huge, so we can expect a gap up or gap down tomorrow morning. So I'm expecting a gap up because the CE positions will be closed today by by all the sellers, so which might create a little pullback. So I'm expecting a gap up tomorrow, or if tomorrow the open is flat, then I am expecting market to go up because already 3 days it was bleeding. So we can expect a sharp up move or a profit booking, and then again it can go down. So next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also similar case. It just opened gap down and then it just moved down, and then it tries to stabilize here. So you can see 4200 is playing as a support here, but then it might get broke as well because market is downwards, so it's being in one directional. And the support here, resistance here is 42 700 800, but then the resistance never got touched. It just the close was near the day's low. So let's see what happens tomorrow. It depends upon the global market as well. We'll go to finnifty next. Same case, open gap down, and then it just pleaded for the first 2 hours, and then just trying to stabilize at the last hour. And the support here is 900, and the resistance here was 90,000. Mini resistance, and the actual resistance in the morning is 19,200 for finnifty. So yeah, the support and resistance will work tomorrow as well, because tomorrow is Friday, so market is expected to be sideways, and then if it is a flat opening, then the support and resistance will work wonders. And that's it. We'll move for second confirmation. We'll see 3 parameters in trading tech websites. So that is trending strikes, call versus put, and then again we have strategies, so we'll go for straddle snapshot. So first we'll go for trading a while. Go for Nifty first. So as you can see, it is a B. Sorry, I'm not feeling that well. So it's P, C, 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 4 C's and 1 P. So that's why markets were bleeding, and then it's there's no clear trend here. So that's why it remained sideways for most of the time. Bank Nifty, it was like so clumsy here in the middle, and then at the end a little bit of profit booking. So it's reflected in price action. As you can see, 4 Cs and 1 P, so market tend to be downwards. We'll go for Nifty. So we could see here as 4 Cs and 1 P, and a little bit of clear idea here, because the blue line, which is 30,000 CE, worked pretty much in a clear direction. So that's why the market never crossed this line. And the next we would be going for corporate ratios. Here we could check for how the build up has been happened. So we won't change the start and the end range, we'll keep as such. And then you could see call has been short covered and put has been short covered. Everything has been covered. So tomorrow, if this is the case, then we might have a gap up, because the call has been overly short covered. I mean, profit booking has made in call. That means the market would go up. So let's see here, from 2 o'clock the short covering started, and then it just went down, and the market tried to stabilize here. And then we'll go for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is having a good build up and the call profit booking. So this is also a scenario where we could see that tomorrow it might have a flat opening or a gap up, because the call has been profit book. Whenever the call is profit booking, under these circumstances there would be a gap up. If this is opposite, if put short covering happens or profit booking happens, then we might see a downtrend or a gap down. So you can see here how the price action has moved. And the next one we will have is finnifty, not trading in mid cap. That's why I'm not including the mid cap. So here the story is different, because the call is more and put is less. So this indicates flat opening. So let's see what happens. And it was clear, very clear, like the call is above the put and then the market is falling, so which is like very clear and giving us the right direction of how to trade. Always remember, when market is catching a trend like this, see how it was clear to see us on top of P, and never go in the opposite direction, because that would be like catching a falling knife. So don't go to that situation. If you see that the call is above the put line in a very clear trend, then always go for a downward positions, not the upward position. Okay, so let's go for straddle snapshot. I'm liking this new feature. They have changed a lot. Trading tech is like improving day by day. So straddle will only check for Bank Nifty, because the DK is very good for Bank Nifty. As you can see, we'll go one by one. We'll go with the top 42,400. We have good DK started here, ended here, and then 300 started here, ended here, good DK, and then the yellow line started here, ended here, good DK. And then we have 4200, green line started here, ended here, good DK, and the last one, blue line, started here, ended here, good DK. So straddle for these points have very good DK. That's it for straddle. We'll check for EOD now in the NSE website. We'll check the stocks. On the negative end, we have M&M with minus 3.9% negative, Bajaj Finance with minus 3.7% negative, and Asian Paints with minus 3.5% negative. On the positive side, we have Axis Bank, which is 1.8% up positive, Adani Ports with 0.3% positive, and HCL Tech with 1.5% positive. In Nifty 50, we'll go for Nifty Bank. On the positive end, we have Axis Bank 1.89% positive. On the negative side, we have IDFC First Bank, which is minus 2.87% negative. And then we'll go for financial services. On the positive bank, on the positive end, we have Axis Bank, which is 1.89% positive. On the negative side, we have Bajaj Finance, that is minus 3.7% negative. that's it, guys. Stay tuned to my channel for more Nifty Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty updates. See you tomorrow.